In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how I painted and clear coated this bumper and fender. Here I'm spraying 3 coats of Spray Max 3-in-1 primer. After the primer is dried, we're going to move on to wet sanding the primer out with 800 to 1000 grit sanding sponge. Once the panel is cleaned off, use a tack cloth to get any dirt that may be on the panel. A lot of people have asked me what sprayer I'm using. This is a Titan cap spray with an AccuSpray gun. Although this unit is expensive, it's definitely worth it because you get very little to no overspray on a vehicle when you're done. I put 3 coats of paint on to cover the primer. Use a tack cloth again to get off any dust residue before clear coat. In the final stage, we're going to put about 3 to 4 coats of clear on here. I am spraying a 4:1 High Solids Transtar clear. It's not the most expensive clear, but it does a good job and has a great shine. Thank you for watching, and smash that subscribe button for more videos like this one.